Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter your comments on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon like this. Now click on these three lines and here click settings and privacy. Click privacy and here you will find comments. Click on it and here as you see, filter all comments. Click on it like this and now you filter all your comments, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.